Hello. Today, in teaching English grammar, my topic to teach you is compound noun. What is a compound noun? Compound nouns are those nouns which are made of more than one word. They are linked with or without a short hyphen. This is the definition. Look at this. Compound nouns are made of more than one word and are linked with or without a short hyphen. Example: white board, wash room, father-in-law. Whiteboard, there is no hyphen. But this noun is made of two words, white and board. Washroom, this noun is also made of two words, washroom. So it is a compound noun. And this noun, father-in-law, is made of three words, father, in, and law. There is a short hyphen in this compound noun. So in some compound nouns, there are short hyphens, one or two. But in some compound nouns, there is no hyphen. But they are made up of two or more words. There are some rules of forming the compound nouns. How are compound nouns made? There are some rules you should keep in mind. Formation of compound nouns. Number first, noun plus noun. Bed, room, glass, jar, grammar, book. This is made of two words. Both words are nouns. Bed, it is also noun. Room, it is also noun. Noun plus noun. Glass and jar, both words are nouns. Grammar, book, both words are noun. Grammar is also noun and book is also noun. Glass is also noun and jar is also noun. So the first rule of formation of the compound noun is noun plus noun. And second, adjective plus noun. Black board. Black is adjective. Board is noun. Common sense. Common is adjective. Sense is noun. Blue print. Blue is adjective. Print is noun. Adjective plus noun. And number third rule, verb plus noun. Playground. Play is verb. Ground is noun. Pickpocket. Pick is verb. Pocket is noun. Flashlight. Flash is verb. Light is noun. Dance team. Dance is verb and team is noun. So the third rule of forming the compound noun is verb plus noun. And number four, noun plus verb. Noun plus verb. Sun, set. Sun is a noun. Set is a verb. Sight, view. Sight is a noun. View is a verb. Hand, shake. Hand is a noun. Shake is verb. Hand, set. Hand is a noun. Set is verb. And number fifth, gerund plus noun. Gerund is in form of the verb. Shopping bag. Shopping is gerund. Bag is noun. Dining room. Dining is gerund. Room is noun. Writing paper. Writing table. Writing is gerund and paper is noun. Table is noun. Number six, noun plus gerund. Noun plus gerund. Family planning. Family is a noun. Planning is gerund. House cleaning. House is a noun. Cleaning is gerund. Tent pegging. Tent is a noun. Pegging is gerund. And now, seven, Noun plus preposition. Passer by. Passer is noun. By is preposition. Looker on. Looker is noun. On is preposition. Hanger on. Hanger is noun. On is preposition. Son-in-law. Son is noun. In is preposition. Noun plus preposition. Number 8. Adjective or adverb plus verb. White wash. White is adjective. Wash is verb. Overlook. Over is adverb. Look is verb. Out, set. Out is adverb. Set is a verb. Up, keep. Up is adverb. Keep is a verb. Out, cry. Out is adverb. Cry is verb. In, come. Out, come. In, come. In is preposition. Come is verb. In is adverb. Come is verb. Out, come. Out is adverb. Come is verb. Adjective or adverb plus verb. Now, 9th rule. Adverb or preposition plus noun. Out, law. Out can be either adverb or preposition, and law is noun. After, thought. After can be preposition or adverb. Thought is noun. Foresight. For can be adverb or preposition and thought. Foresight. Down, fall. Inside. Down can be adverb. Fall, verb. Inside. In can be preposition or adverb plus sight. Sight is a noun. And number 10. Verb plus adverb. Verb plus adverb. Draw, back. Draw is verb. Back is adverb. Lock up. Lock is verb. Up is adverb. Go between. Go is verb. Between is adverb. Die hard. Scent of. Scent is verb. Of is adverb. These are the 10 rules of forming the compound nouns. Keeping in view these 10 rules, you should make your own compound nouns. In this way, you will increase your knowledge about compound noun. Thank you very much.